Good morning, students. So today I'm going to direct you an assignment on from hunting, gathering to growing food. Here are the few questions. So let us try to answer for this. So the first question was, for what purposes animals are used to that are reared? So the answer is store of food. So for storing food, so these animals are used. Now let us go to second question. Second question is, mention the two purposes for which grains has to be stored. The answer is for food and for seed. So for food purpose and for seeding, for agriculture, so they used. Next, third question. What did people do to store grains? So for storing grains, so what they arranged? So they made large clay pots, comma, they wove baskets, and they dug pits into the ground. So they made some large clay pots and they wove baskets and dug pits into the ground. So for storing grains. So then, which historical events took place about 12,000 years ago? So this is the fourth question. So after 12,000 years, what happened? So they started domestication. It means they stopped gathering food from, means they are moving from one place to other place for gathering food. So but after 12,000 years ago, they stopped and they started domestication. The answer is domestication. So next, fifth question, what kind of animals and plants were selected by the early people for survival? So the answer is those animals and plants not prone to disease. Those are not prone to disease. So these are the five questions. Now let us move on to the sixth question. So which animals were selected for breeding? So which animals were they selected for breeding? So the answer is gentle animals. Then seventh question is, in what ways grains was used by the early people? So for in what purposes they used by the early people? The answer is for food, for seeding, and for gifts, and for store of food. So for these purposes they used by the early people. Next, eighth question. Name the earliest domesticated animals. So the answer is sheep and goat. So next, move on to the ninth question. Name some of the earliest plants that were domesticated. So the answer is wheat and barley. Next, 10th question. Which was the first animal to be tamed? So the answer is the wild ancestor of dog. Wild ancestor of dog. Now let us move on to the map pointing. So here they are given 7 places. So we have to mark on the India map. Let us take first one, Mumbai. So Mumbai located here in Maharashtra. So next, the second place is Inamgon. So Inamgon located here. Next, Brahmagiri. Next, fourth place is Koldiva. This is Koldiva. Then Hansgi. Then river Tapi. So this is river Tapi. Then river Mahanadi. So which is in Odisha. River Mahanadi. So these are the map pointing places. So thank you so much.